Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. If you're an electrician or thinking about starting an electrical business, today we are going to talk about something that's crucial for your growth and profitability. Specialization in residential electrical work. You might be tempted to take on every job that comes your way, but here's the truth. When you try to serve everyone, you end up serving nobody. Specialization is the key to a successful, profitable electrical business, and we are going to show you why. In this video, we are going to break down why specializing in specific residential electrical services can boost your profits, attract better clients, and make your business more sustainable. We'll list 9 of the most profitable residential electrical specializations that can set you up for long-term success. Number 1. EV charger installation. Electric vehicles are becoming more common, and homeowners need safe, properly installed charging solutions. EV charger installation requires load calculations, panel evaluations, and strict code compliance. Because of the technical expertise involved, homeowners are willing to pay a premium. EV charger installations typically range from $1,200 to $3,500 per install, and with the continued growth of electric vehicles, this niche offers strong long-term demand. Number 2. Electrical panel upgrades. Many older homes weren't designed to handle modern electrical loads. Panel upgrades are often required for safety, insurance approval, and adding high-demand appliances like EV chargers or HVAC systems. These projects typically range from $2,500 to $6,000, making panel upgrades one of the most profitable and consistent residential electrical services. Number 3. Whole home rewiring. Outdated wiring systems pose serious safety risks and can prevent homeowners from selling or insuring their homes. Whole home rewiring requires advanced knowledge, careful planning, and experience. These projects can range from $8,000 to $25,000 or more depending on the home, positioning this specialization as both high-ticket and trust-driven. Number 4. Backup, generator, and transfer switch installation. Power outages drive homeowners to invest in backup power solutions. Installing standby generators and transfer switches requires specialized electrical expertise and proper permitting. Generator installations often range from $5,000 to $15,000 or more, and electricians who specialize in this area often benefit from strong referral and repeat business. Number 5. Smart home and home automation systems. Homeowners are increasingly investing in smart lighting, security systems, thermostats, and fully integrated home automation. These systems require both electrical and technical expertise to install correctly. Smart home installations can range from $1,500 to over $10,000 for full home integrations, especially when you position yourself as a smart home specialist. Number 6. Lighting design and installation. Lighting plays a major role in how a home looks and feels. High-end interior lighting, exterior lighting, landscape lighting, and architectural lighting projects allow electricians to charge premium rates. Lighting installations can range from $2,000 to $20,000 depending on the scope and design complexity. Number 7. Whole home surge protection and power quality solutions. With sensitive electronics throughout modern homes, homeowners want protection from power surges and voltage fluctuations. Whole home surge protection systems are relatively quick to install and typically range from $500 to $2,500. This specialization offers strong profit margins and pairs well with other electrical services. Number 8. Electrical safety inspections and advanced troubleshooting. Electrical inspections are essential for home buyers, insurance companies, and homeowners concerned about safety. Advanced troubleshooting allows electricians to diagnose hard-to-find issues efficiently. These services can range from $300 to $3,000 or more, and often lead directly into larger corrective projects. Number 9. Emergency electrical services. Emergency electrical work is one of the most profitable specializations in residential electrical. Homeowners are willing to pay a premium for fast response when they experience power loss, tripping breakers, or other urgent electrical issues. Emergency calls often range from $250 to $600 for minor issues and can exceed $1,500 for serious electrical emergencies, especially during nights, weekends, or holidays. So why is specialization so important for your business? Simply put, Focusing on a specific residential electrical niche makes you the expert, allowing you to charge higher rates and attract better clients. It also reduces competition, since fewer electricians specialize in these high-ticket services. Specialization helps you stand out, build a strong reputation, and provide value that general electricians simply can't match. When we specialize, we also become more efficient. Instead of juggling multiple services, we focus on mastering one area, which makes our work faster and more profitable. Homeowners are willing to pay a premium for experts they trust. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. And drop a comment below letting us know which residential electrical niche you're thinking of specializing in.